Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Cultural Legacy of Ramakien and Tipitaka. The Prime Minister of India is on a visit to Indonesia for the BIMSTEC Summit 2025. BIMSTEC, which stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, is a group of 7 South Asian and Southeast Asian nations that focuses on improving the connections between these countries. PM Modi has presented the Tipitaka in Pali as a gift and witnessed an enriching performance of the Thai Ramayana Ramakien in Thailand. With this visit, the relationship between the two countries is poised to go to new heights with their common ancestral heritage. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501 87501. Ramakien. The Ramayana came to Thailand via centuries of cultural exchange, particularly during the early Khmer and Ayutthaya periods. But it was during King Ram I, 1737 to 1809, the founder of the Chakri dynasty, that the Ramakien was formally rewritten and adapted to suit Thai customs. King Rama II then elaborated on it, developing its poetic and theatrical aspects. Ramakien is essentially the same story as Ramayana. The heroic Ram, his wife Nag Sita and demon king Ravan. Yet Thailand's version introduces several new twists in Hanuman and Ram role. Tipitaka. Tipitaka, or the Pali Canon, is the most sacred sculpture of Theravada Buddhism composed in the ancient Pali language. It is a huge storehouse of the teachings of Gautam Buddha, religiously guarded by his disciples for centuries. Tipitaka is a name meaning 3 baskets, for it is divided into 3 divisions. The Vinay Pitak establishes the code of conduct for monks and nuns, regulating their monastic life with moral guidelines. The Sutta Pitak includes the sermons and conversations of the Buddha, constituting the philosophical and ethical foundation of Buddhism. The Abhidhamma Pitak explores Buddhist psychology and metaphysics, describing the nature of existence and the functioning of the mind. These teachings were first handed down orally over generations before they were committed to writing in Sri Lanka during the 1st century BCE for preservation purposes. The Tipitaka is still the cornerstone of Theravada Buddhism, influencing spiritual traditions in Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, and Cambodia. Now it's time for the practice question. Who adapted the Ramakien to align with Thai culture? King Ram II, King Ram I, King Bhuri, or King Bhumibol? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.